The following program is proudly brought to you by Micro Projects, a unit under the Ministry of Economic Planning and Development, in conjunction with the Ministry of Tinkundla and Administration.
Live liyathuthuka lithuthukiswa ngito Tinkundla. Nguvusele Mbukeli ngiphinze ngikwemukele elihlelweni sive siyathuthuka. Luhlelo Mbukeli leli kulethela intuthuko leyendakalako eveni laseSwatini. Lipito lami ngingonokwazi ngwakadlamini. Mbukeli namhla elihlelweni sitakulethela umcimbi wekwetfulwa ngalokusemthethweni Tebetebe leli bandi footbridge lokungitebetebe lowakhiwe khona enkundleni yakugege. Tebetebe lowakhiwe ngemali lebalelwa ku 1.4 million emalangeni lokuyimali lechamuke khona kubo baka Micro Projects kanye futhi nenhlangano yaseMelika Engineers in Action. Mbukeli utativela nekuthi futhi bantfu labatawuzuza kulo Tebetebe bangu 700 lokufaka ekhathi bafunzi. Utawuphinza futhi utivele Mbukeli ukuthi lo Tebetebe uhlanganisa imiphakathi lemithathu. Asingene elihlelweni sibone ukuthi umsebenzi uhambe kanjani.
Lo mkhankaso wahulumende wekwakhiwa kwemabhuloho etinyawo boTebetebe mudzaladzala njengoba kuyavela ukuthi waqala ngayo iminyaka yema-1970s lokwangumsebenzi lowawuchutshwa kakhulu litiko letekwakha nekuthutha ngaleso sikhathi eMinistry of Public Works and Transport. Le nkundla yakugege nayo ayikasali ngaphandle kulolu sito lwahulumende wembube njengoba yakhe Tebetebe leli bandi suspended footbridge lowakhiwa ngemuva kokuthi sive lesingaphansi kwale nkundla sihlupheke isikhathi lesithe esibili cishe iminyaka neminyaka ikakhulu ngatikhathi tasehlobo nakugcwele umfula indlotane. Lo Tebetebe ubite imali lebalelwa ku 1.4 million emalangeni kanti wakhiwe ngalolu sito lwahulumende ngokubambisana nenhlangano yaka Engineers in Action letinte eveni laseMelika. Imvuna yemcuba ababehlatshwako ubonga kakhulu uhulumende wembube ngaso lesakhiwo.
Sihlangane netovula lo msebenzi lona lo Tebetebe ngithi angibonga kakhulu bekunene ngimbonge Macro ngimbonge nala ebebambisana nabo nalesive sithi asinibonga kakhulu bekunene ni usebenzi lo msebenzi but seniuqedzile so uyavulwa sithi asibonge kakhulu bekunene sibonge MP siyabonga lithondvolo lolifakile nale committee bohamba nayo sithi asibonge kakhulu bekunene siyanemukela dikhanzeni nisekhaya nikhululekile lento akhuluma nje ningabi nesaba nathi ukuthi sikhululekile ningasabi lutho lapha kudinga lekhona. Siyabonga kakhulu siyanemukela bekunene nonke. Amen. Hawu mathotha.
Sive lesingaphansi kwale nkundla siujabulela kakhulu lo msebenzi walo Tebetebe leli bandi suspended footbridge kulandzela ukuthi sikhale ngekuthi bekwemuka tincwadzi kanye nato ticatfulo tebafunzi nawugcwele lo mfula indlotane.
Tihlathi tivakashela tindlebe ngalesikubonako. Wena Mphucuko usithethe phansi lapho khona bonke abantu bebasibukela khona. Wasibeka ezingeni lesedulo kwamangala bonke bamvu ngokusilethela nayo intuthuko ekhaya. Ngithi singumango seswela ngisho nemavi ekukubonga Micro ngalosendele kona besivele singelutho ngaphandle wakho sekuvele kwabasobala lo. Ngiphinze ngibonge nakubaphathi bemimango nakini komiti lethu nisihlengile sibantfu besikolo kulona mfula bese uyingodi kakhulu etimpilweni tethu. Lalela phela lena indzaba sibili indzaba lengacoceki indzaba lengakhulumeki bonke abantu abakhona ekuvala umlomo ngalenza bayele sakhiwo lesihle nakangaka. Yeka ubucebecebe bemibala kusho ngesicangco sako sakanokusho. Ekseni lokya kusabe kwatiwa nguye. Nguye loyo abonakala ngemabhanjana akhe. Nguye loyo abonakala ngemabhutse akhe aphethe nesikhwanyana sakhe. Phela lona ngumuntu lomdzala. Utikhandla ngekuletha kwana intuthuko lapha kulommango. Utikhandla kangaka nje ingani Solomon uzamela thina ukuthi sibe nelikusasa lelikhanyiselekile. Kungako ngithi batali siyabonga konke lenisendele kona kuthi nikhonile kuhlanganyela nalethana intuthuko lapha kulommango. Lo msebenzi lenwendile kufanana nekusihlenga etingodini tana ngumfula indlotane. Thuthuka mmango, thuthuka intuthuko seyikhona. Thank you.
Umnumzane Emandla Zwane lo ngusihlalo welikomiti ubonga kakhulu uhulumende weMbube ngalesakhiwo elasisihle kakhulu. Uphindze ubonga sona sive salenkundla yakhe kuyo yomithathu lemiphakathi ngekuthi siphume ngetinkani nakuyosetshenzwa.
Ngiphinde futhi ngibuye ngibonge esiveni kuthi khandla ngekutosebenza. Kuliciniso lokuthi kunalamanye emakhaya la ngakakhona ukusebenza. Siyabonga ke kule sive lesikhonile kutosebenza. Ngicabanga kahle lokuthi bekunebantu abadala la kulabanye abantwana kude. Akusimdlalo ke kuhlaba lipikila. Kumbiwe lana. Semba siteleka. Ukhande kwekuthi kusasetshenzwa kugcine sekungasaboniswana ngaliso linye. Kodwa sibonga lokuthi ekugcineni kwakhona kwako konke nangidebedebe.
Ngakulokunye umnumzane Zwane ubonga kakhulu umdali nekuthi nakhatha lokhu lesive besewela kabuhlungu kulomfula indlotane sikhathi lesidze uthi kude imphefumulo lengakanani leyalahleka uthi batali besebafile ukuthenga nencwadi kanye nato tikatfulo tebafundzi lokuthiwa betemuka njalo ngato tikhatsi tasehlobo. Lo amangweni uvakalisa nako kuthokota kwabo balikomiti ngekuthi kusakhiwa kubebede ingodi leyabakhona.
Siyabonga ke namhlanje ngokuthi uNkulunkulu azasikhumbule. Nami namhlanje nasengicathathela timvu ngiwela kulomfula ngifunda isikolo. Dicathulo Solomon etilahleka. Dincwadi dilahleka. Batali bethu babhadala esikolweni. Kube uzufikelwa kumangala ungumtali lokuthi kodwa tishela ngibhadalisa njani incwadi ngoba inkinga nginango umfula. Siyabonga kakhulu ke singilomango. Ikakhulu ke ngibonge iproject yaka Micro. Ngiyanibonga Micro anguvala umlomo. Lenikhonile kusisida. Kuna inkinga besibhekene nayo. Ngiphinde ngendlule ngibonge inkundla. Ngibonga kakhulu inkundla. Ngisolene mave ekubonga.
Lobuke kusebenta kwalokwakhiwa kwalabodebedebe lapha eveni loku project manager ka Engineers in Action Dzadze Zinhle Ngozo ubonga kakhulu ubudlelwane lobukhona emkhathini wahulumende kanye nayo inhlangano yakhe ikakhulu nalo litiko la Economic Planning and Development lathi sebasebente nalo ngaphansi kwaloluphiko lwa Micro Projects lathi baqala ngeminyaka wa 2017 nakakuqala kwakhiwa kwabo bodebedebe eveni.
Sanibonani. Thank you everyone for being here today. I would just going to be very short. I'm talking on behalf of the whole Engineers in Action organization based in the United States. We're very grateful. You hosted us here for the past 8 weeks. We are absolutely astonished by the amazing contribution this community, each and every one of them, did for this bridge to be finished on time. We would like to thank you for your hospitality, for your love, for your passion, and for all beautiful moments and memories we built here. We're looking forward to see how will you use this bridge, and we hope that you're going to take very good care of it. And I would like to say my special thanks to Nhlapo family, to Zwane family, the people that were here for us and with us and spent so much time. We worked together, we ate together, we had fun together. My heart is full. Thank you all for being here today, and looking forward to open the bridge with you. Thank you.
Dzadze Sibongile Mathebula lotinte enhlokohhovisi yaka-Engineers in Action eveni laseMerika lobuke lo msebenzi wekwakhiwa kwalabotebetebe udvumisa kakhulu uhulumende wembube ngekubambisana nenhlangano yakhe yaka-Engineers in Action. Uthi le nhlangano yakhe yaka-Engineers in Action kwanyalo seyakhe botebetebe labange-24 seloku waqala.
Nami angifuni khulume endendende mine. Kepa, I want to also say thank you while I'm here visiting this program. It's amazing to see the work that the team is doing. And this project, this bridge was built entirely by our local staff at Microprojects. Shala Tanja. My engineers, Bo Simalane, who designed this bridge, to Nhlapo and Mjuli, who did all of the construction and community development planning, also to our interns who have started to learn. We're very grateful for our partnership with the Microproject staff. Without them, we wouldn't have been able to build this project. So siyabonga to the guys in the office who are working so hard. It's really amazing to see this, to see how they've grown since we built our first bridge here in Eswatini. It's truly amazing. It's a testament to the strength of our partnership. I also want to say thank you to the Mason team, the builders who have been building this project with you, Bosafunza, Nyamane, Bosakile, and Banele. You know, they work very hard. You can see even now they were still working. We're all up here in the shade, but still they're working. Baya se banda. Siyabonga.
Lokuhle ukuthi le nhlangano yaka-Engineers in Action kuyavela ukuthi kusukela ngeminyaka wa-2006 ikhonile ukuthumela abafunzi labe basuka emanyuvesi labalelwa ema-30 umhlaba wonke. Lapho kuvela ukuthi botebetebe labakhiwa emaphandleni babalelwa ekhulwini njengoba bakhiwe emaveni lahlukahlukene la-12. Lilunga lephalamende lenkundla yokugege umhlonishwa Magesi Dlamini naye ubonga uyagangatha kuye hulumende wembube kanye nato tinintelive taka-Engineers in Action ngekuthi bakhele inkundla yakhe lotebetebe.
Akusilula enkundleni njengoba sicabanga. Enkundleni kunetinvo letihamba lichi solomane tigaywa. Ngitsite nasicala lo msebenzi lo ngivakashele abantu balendzawo bathi emhlonishwa kade saqala sikucela tebetebe akusiko lamuhla babala emuva nami ngicabanga ukuthi bengiseseliswane ngaleso sikhathi bathi bengekho ke kodwa Solomane kungendeki and asibongeke umusa waNkulunkulu kwekuthi sithi nasifika enkundleni ngoba ngithena ngifika enkundleni kwaba kwekuqala ukuthi ngigijime ngiye kumbingo ngive ngithi mbingo kunani kugege sitobona lokuthi yini leseyidudana lesitawumane siyifuqe siyichilitele phambili singagwabuli kwethu kuyawuphinze kuthathe lithi sesigijimisa lokube kuvele kukhona asivedeke bekunene kwekuthi bafike basitshela ukuthi ukhona tebetebe la enkundleni yakugege sabe ke sesiyawufuqa ukuthi umane uqhubeke uye phambili asendlulise ke kulibonga kakhulu ikomiti la leli ngilona libambe lo msebenzi ukuthi umane ube impumelelo lingakabi lodwa leli komiti likanye kanye netakhamuti talendzawo libambisene futhi nalabangibona baqize lo mango walendzawo ngoba liqinisa lithi kude lokuya kuphumelele bekunene nibe ningakabambisani so sithi ke asinibonge kakhulu nasinkhundla kuphumelele lokhu ngenxa yenu ngoba akusho ukuthi nasesisenkundleni lokunyenda kuphumelela ngathi kodwa ngenxa labantu labangibona banibambisile umsebenzi uyaqhubeka uphumelele.
Kulo mkhankaso wekulungisa imigwaco uhulumende abethe angakhala amabloho etimoto pheceleti ema-low level crossing bridges labe kakhiwa ngaleso sikhathi ngekufaka emapipe akhonkolo bese khona lapho tinintelive betimhlangabeta ngekwakha botebetebe kuye imfudlana lemincane kanye nato tihoshana lebetibukeka tiyingoti nalina. Umfula umkhonvo nawo uke wahlupha kakhulu sona sive lesingaphansi kwenkundla yasenkwene lokuyinkundla yaseshiselweni. Noko-ke hulumende uke wasizama lesive ngokubambisana nezihlobo takhe bakhiwa botebetebe ngemaplango bagcina bafadabele. Umphathi waka-Micro Projects umnumzane Sibusiso Mbingo naye ubonga uyagangatha kutotinini tekelive baka-Engineers in Action ngalo lusito lokwakhiwa kwabo botebetebe kuleli.
Micro bekunene nguhulumende letimali tahulumende wetinkundla so lo lenibona konje lapha kude tininte enkosi nguhulumende weMaswati lasebenta afaka imali lapha but ke tininte enkosi lapha Engineers in Action abasini babalekelela tikhwama tabo Micro tikhona tikhwama tabo RDF tikhona ematuka kahulumende itonje besilembolo-njeni sinebaka natural resources letsemani lahlombe lembolo-njeni so ke uhulumende bekunene uyasebenza ngoba bese kuvala ngathi uhulumende akasebenzi leti inhlangano sitibonako lapha labo mbingoleni babonako lapha bathunywe nguhulumende abatendeli letimali qhamuke emakhikini abombingo sithunywe ngibani ke nguhulumende liteko laka Ministry of Economic Planning and Development sithunywe tinkundla litike tinkundla ukuthi asishumayela ngaphandle ukuthi bekunene ativuke tinhlangano hlanganani niyofuna lusito kuhulumende kuphela ukuthi nya ukuthi inkundla gege yona isayile emuva kodwa inkundla isayile emuva lesaka Micro nje sikhwama sichaza kahle hle ukuthi inkundla ngeminyaka Micro ina 2 million minimum lokhona ka RDF inkundla yagege ina 3 million so nje lo wahlete umhlonshana libandla lakhe unjingile una 5 million nje lo kahlete una 5 so ke mbutenzi umendeni lo 5 ukhona umhlonshana lo 5 hamba umfune eParliament ubuye naye kutosenjedwa letimali tiyaphuma ngeminyaka sisike sisela lokho malanga lamahle ngoba akucace ukuthi uhulumende uyasebenza so sikusho lokho nokumention ukuthi cha we are so grateful to Engineers in Action like we said lokuthi siyambonga nje kakhulu le transfer of skills lesiyibonako siswethu Britney we are happy that besides the Tebetebe program they have also launched a water and sanitation program lenayo itabe sukuma kulamalanga we are setting the water and sanitation program ikhaya abantu abayicela khona vele nabaqala kancane they keep starting small and increase so we are seeing an increment even in that department of water affairs and sanitation, water supply and sanitation. So it's a program which we are very, very proud of, and it's the first of its kind to see such selfless commitment, such humanity support, which is bringing a lot of change amongst eMaswati. Siyabonga kakhulu Anna, Britney, the students, those who've come before, and there are those who are still going to come to say we are very proud of this program. And it's a milestone, and with this program, eMaswati are making history. Lokubonga again mhlonishwa libandla la kaSwazi TV asitolibona libuye ngala silibona. Labafana bahamba nathi noma kuyakuphi ukukhombisa lemisebenzi yahulumende. Buyandla ngebhistoni bona. Sibonga nje kakhulu lokuthi sihambe nabo mhlonishwa. Kuphakamisa lemisebenzi la ngaphandle siyabonga nje kakhulu eteamini yakaSwazi TV asiyibushayile itandla bekunene luhlelo lolu lesaluqala si Ministry of Economic Planning yokuthi lengaphandle lemisebenzi yahulumende emhlonishwa akukhulunywe ngayo sineluhlelo nje kuthiwa sive sathuthuka lapha kaSwazi TV lihana ngilabantwana sishengedisa imisebenzi yahulumende wetinkundla hulumende la ngaphandle uyasebenza nabo ke abamfana bagijima la ngaphandle sebavele baba i-team nje ngathi sitawujona baka SBIS bakhona namhla la nabo sihambe nabo kakhulu ukuthengisa lemisebenzi yahulumende akwade ukuthi uhulumende uyasebenza la ngaphandle ngoba sesithinwe inhlamba ukuthi uhulumende akasebenzi uhulumende uyasebenza malanga kuphela lemisebenzi ayivethu esiveni khulunywe ngayo siyabonga kakhulu bafana sisasukuthi nananga nje nguye solo ngilomuye naye nawo lo ngithwebulaka ukuleli bandla siyabonga kakhulu ngakhuluma shonelanga kwethu is to pass our gratitude to the inkundla, to Engineers in Action, Ministry of Economic Planning, and all the collaboration that we see in each and every community where we participate.
Kuwona lo mbuthano umndeni wakaNhlapho nawo wase wendlulisa kubonga kwawo lokukhulu kusosive lesingaphansi kwalenkhundla ngekuthi uwethembe ngekuthi unikede lesisebenzi itaka Micro Projects kanye nato tinini itaka Engineers in Action nakusasetshenzwa.
Sibonga kakhulu kuNkulunkulu losiholile kwaze kwaba la. Ekhaya labe sihlala khona nebantwana baka Micro kube kuhle kakhulu. Akukho ngisho kunye lesikusolile ngabo. Akukho ngisho kunye lapho basinyathele khona. Kukho konke siphakamisa uNkulunkulu. Lo sigcinele bona sisehlele singumndeni wakaNhlaphu sinabo. Kwabade umkhuhlane. Bafike baphila nanamhla siyahlukana bayaphila.
Impela nami bengeke ngale nelikhaya. Likhaya akusilo lakho, likhaya lebantu. Ngobona nje nangabe kukhona umuntu losalimela ukuthi awuba nebantu makambambe uthi webantu akazi ukuthi umntwana nami webantu. So bengeke ngale lekhaya kaNhlaphu bekunene kulekelela umango kuletha intuthuka kumango. So kuthi kufanele siphume thina in our houses and go and find a place to sleep and let the people enjoy sleep lakhaya. So kwaba naloko ke ukuthi no, I cannot change, I must do it. So bekunene ngikwente ngeshetiyo lemhlobo.
Ngakulolunye elihlangothi egameni lelikomidi kwase kwethula tipho kubodzadze Sibongile kanye nadzadze Zinhle Ngozo letetfulwa ngumake Hlatshwako uLamathe.
Kulemiphakathi lemithathu lehlanganyele kwenta lo msebenzi longaka. Ithi bacela nje ukuthi bongela Nkosi yami kuye sisi Sibongile Mathebula nakuye Zinhle Ngozo. Haleluya. Bathi nje ke bayacela shemu manje nje batibongele nganaku labakwentile. Bathi batawuhlale banikhumbula njalo njalo. Amen.
Lolu hlobo lwabotebetebe ngunali lolwakhiwa ngokusebenzisa fenisi, emaplango, icable kanye nakhonkolo. Nalo kuyevakala ukuthi liqinile kakhulu luyinguga nalo, kodwa lokunakekako ngalo ukuthi nawuhamba kulo lujikita noma lutebhetele kakhulu shengathi lutakucumba phansi kangangekuthi labanye bashaya siyedi nabalusebenzisa. Lomunye wabonjiniyela baka Microprojects lobuke kwakhiwa kwalabotebetebe umnumzane Mduduzi Mdluli wachaza kancane ngakokucina kwalotebetebe ekutheni utayithatha iminyaka lebalelwa ema-15.
Kulesikhathi samanje bongosi sikhathi sekudemonstrate noma sekutshengisa lebekwentiwa ngummango kulesakhiwo lesihle lesilapha endasi. Sizamakhombisa ukuthi ummango walendzawo bewenda ini bucine kanganani. Lesakhiwo ke nisibona bekunene sine siyaye sithi sitanichuba iminyaka lengedulu kwe-15 nani siphethe kahle. Lesakhiwo lesi siyakhona kubetfala abantu labalukhulu kedulu sikhathi sinye. Ngilele sitawube sikwenda kenyalo bonkosi sitawucela abaphathi bemango lomelele litiko lengomphathi waka Microprojects, inkundla, engineers in action as well as the student team. Batawuhamba phambili bese thine nesive sonke bonkosi silandzela ngemuva sesiyawuvula lesakhiwo ngalokusemthethweni. Inkosi.
Sesiyafuna bekunene.
My name is Bongu Swatfala, Mfunze Makubeleni. I'm doing grade 7. Ngithi angitokubonga kakhulu nga Microproject lasendele kona. Ngisho sekugcwele umfula bese kulukhulu naswela besifika lethe esikolweni.
sengathathu kumbe kathathu ngeminyaka setimukile sekunjalo which nyalo mawubuka la lendlela kwento ngayo sesihambe eTulu like it's a highway angeke sisaphile sakubona lokhu lesikubona eTulu ithi vele it's a great improvement so siyabonga kakhulu nje kuhulumende naye micro project
siyabonga ezobona nje ngixhosa ngisabuyela le ngisetayivuthela kubonisa ukuthi I'm happy about that.
Igama lami ngingisem ngakamdluli emashobeni kubaba emthunzi sikhulu sijabule kakhulu ka micro nato tonke etinento enkosi letende ukuthi kube possible lokho siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi sive sala nebantwana bala sivile ukuthi bebahlupheka kakhulu kodwa kusukela manje ngicabanga ukuthi injabulo itaba inkulu kakhulu lusito libe likhulu kakhulu kusinika lithemba lokuthi labantwana bethu sebataba nelikusasa lelikahle ngoba sebatawukhona kwesikolweni bajabulile bakhona ephasa ngoba sivile ukuthi bekusala icathulo la bangakhona kuhamba kahle babuye kusale netincwadzi bangakhona kodwa nyalo siyabona ukuthi nema results esikolweni ataba ngcono kakhulu
ngiyabhetela ukuthi kodwa nje uhambeni kwemalanga sitawuhamba sijwayele kutaba segright sibonga kakhulu uhulumende shemla sentele kona angadzina nanga nomenini sibonga kakhulu
ninjani bonkosi niwelelani lapho Tebetebe ukhona
yacebhetela lapha ngesapha ngizengakujwayele into ngizake ngivele senguwena
ngingakahlatshwako hayi ngisaba ngisengakakudayeli kodwa nje sitawulunga
ngekho ngesikhathi sethu lokhu manje-ke siyapractice kodwa-ke sifuna lokho ukuthi siqale thine bese abantu babethu bayalandzela
kuyaweleka ngibaba edlamini lothi nje umuntu uyaqala kwela kusashalva kodwa na ukubuka hayi kuqinile lo 50 years labamshoko cha kutamthatha
assurance yaleti insambo ukuthi leti insambo tiyakhona ukuthi bantu bangaba nge100 bahambe la kubede inkinga
luphela lapho-ke luhlelo mbukeli sive siyathuthuka lapho khona besikulethela umcimbi wekwethulwa ngalokusemthethweni wokwakhiwa kwaTebetebe leli bandi suspended footbridge lowakhiwe khona enkundleni yakugege wakhiwe futhi ngemali lebalelwa ku-1.4 million emalangeni mbukeli utivele netikhulumi tikhuluma kamnanzi titijabulela ngokwakhiwa kwawo lo Tebetebe wativela baka micro projects wativela kibo futhi baka engineers in action kanye futhi nayo inkundla asihlangane evikini lelilandzela kombukeli lapho khona sibukela sive siyathuthuka uso sibuko semaswati eSwatini TV libito lami ngingunokwazi Ngwakadlamini.
The program you've been watching was proudly brought to you by Micro Projects, a unit under the Ministry of Economic Planning and Development, in conjunction with the Ministry of Tinkhundla and Administration.